Welcome friends to the Darex demo room, where today we're going to show you how to sharpen a step drill with your step drill attachment on your XT3000 sharpener. So with the step drill attachment, you're going to get the step drill sharpening port, the alignment fixture, and then 1 or 2 chucks depending on which size drills you're going to be sharpening. You're also going to need the XY table in order to orient that drill properly to the wheel. The main point of this step drill is sharpened just like any other drill, so we're going to skip that for today, and without any further ado, I'm going to show you how to align this thing. So the alignment fixture mounts right to the top of your XT, like so, but it's a little difficult to show what's going on here at this angle, so I'm going to take it off and explain a little bit of the features here. This red lever to start off first, you can see is for relief, so a little arrow goes this way, that's going to give you more relief on the cutting edges for your step, that's going to give you less relief. Then moving on to some numbers here. These numbers are going to correlate to the max diameter of your drill. So we're working with a 1/2 inch. I'm going to put 3/8 up to the top here. After that, we have this lever that's going to open and close those jaws there, you can see. Those are going to grab onto the inner diameter of the flutes of your drill. And then this little slide here is to make sure that your drill won't go all the way through the hole. Now I'm going to get a close up and show you how to put the drill into this fixture. The first thing you want to do here is to loosely chuck the drill so it slides freely back and forth, and then we're going to insert this all the way into the alignment fixture until the chuck stops. And then you're going to make sure that the pilot of this drill is allowed to go through the hole, but not the step. So move the slide over so it catches the cutting edge of the step. Once you've got that in there, you're going to rotate the drill over until those cutting edges hit these jaws here. So you see we've hit the jaws. Once we get that aligned, we tighten these jaws down just a little bit, make sure it's snug, but not to the point where it rotates the drill on you. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten our chuck. So I'm gonna rotate this over here. See the drill stayed in the proper alignment, and the chuck rotated around it. Tighten her down, and we're good to go. So we've got our drill properly aligned in our chuck. Now we're gonna orient the chuck properly to the wheel here. It's a good idea to start this with the machine off so you don't have any unexpected sparks while you're working here. First thing we wanna do is set the angle of the step. So we've got basically a flat tool here. We're gonna go ahead and adjust this XY table to 180 degrees. Find your mark, lock it down. And then best practice after that is, again, to back everything out away from the wheel as far as possible so that when we put the drill in there, we don't have any unexpected excitement. We'll get a close-up on that drill now. Now the drill is in place. It's not quite touching the wheel. You can see it rotates freely. Now we can turn our machine on and use these knobs. Basically just start moving it in here. I'm going to start with the lateral movement first. We just touched the post. As soon as you hear it start to spark, you'll be in place. There we go. So now I'm going to move it forward so that we start hitting those cutting edges. There we go. We're in business. So we'll just rotate an even number of times. Now we've finished the process and you have a sharp drill.